Jeszcze Stongo Nicole Harjo Jahajivkados. Hello, my name is Nicole Harjo, and I am going to demonstrate how to clean and prepare Indian pumpkin. Some say cooking pumpkin, pink pumpkin. This is how I've learned how to do it. Cut off the top. Use the sharpest knife you have. And if you want to say something while I'm doing this, go ahead.
Işte Oscar Joseph Cadoso Philip here Jesse Wada Mvhayv Hanyu Slavka Mija he Hanyu Wada Handos Jesse OS what's it what no what he is doing what no what yeah Istijadi Jesse engage the way Hanyu Idi Wada.
Okay, now we're gonna clean it. This is what the inside looks like. Take a hard spoon, clean it out as best you can. Some save the seeds and replant. My dad used to save our seeds and plant it kind of close to our chicken house, and we used to do this every fall. We used to get ours in Bixby. The place that we used to get it has closed down, so now we go to Preston, and we get a pretty good deal over there.
Here Nitka Opa Jesse Hakuji Mija Hasidisto Opa Nitka Mija OS so how say the give Adam look say the give my Makto Hada Ihitska Hista Hasat Kuzin Hadungo OS Adam Hasadija Bonoa Wadadan Jimahayando
Several ways to cut up your pumpkin. Everything. Slice it up. Sometimes the skin on here is thin, not like a jack-o'-lantern pumpkin. The skin is real thin compared to the other pumpkins.
Hanyu Idi Wata Hanyu Man Wati up and Wat no what yeah Hat be a legan Wada Handos Wat no what Hada Lebotkas in Idi Wata Hanidos
Fill it just like you would, I'd say, how would you say, cantaloupe. Kind of looks like cantaloupe.
Pamija wing. Idi watos maktoks. Idi wasnoma. Adikan. Hian. Adito. Hia slaka. Ojidos. Manjusto. Oes. Bonoa. Do it. No leja hanoa. Mo chinhichki jagahis. Anyoa. Idi wada. Hi jakchiga. Oes. Anyoa. Dotkan. Legana yahando.
There's several ways to cook, but this is the way I was taught. Teacher taught. Okay, we used probably about a quarter of a cup of lard, shortening. And then some people wash it, but I just put it in like that. And might add probably about a cup of water, and let it cook until it's real tender, until the water goes out. So that.
Hia. Niha. Hian. Aktito. Oes moskinoa. Dagi biro. Oes jessin aktito. Hia. Notla hanan.
After it cooks down on the open flame, it cooks probably about 2 hours, maybe 3, after it gets soft and all the water's out. Then you put your probably a cup and a half of sugar, and let that, it'll caramelize. And some cook it as long as, some say it's burnt, but go ahead.
Hia. Mita. Hazakika. Hokola. Onga dokchina mahin. Nosidos. Makto. Nosnoa. Moskinoa. Asokla hadan aktiheis. Oes. Nosi bahandos ma. Nosnoa. Most cuisine. Noxlin giasnoa. Jindo be doing. Nosleji de giasnoa. Maktoks.